Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. If you're OG, thank you so much for sticking around and coming to watch another nail tutorial. So let's get into it.
Alright guys, so today's tutorial was inspired by Lone Love. Check out her body. Yes, girl. So I love her pattern on her bathing suit, so I decided to recreate this pattern on some nails. So let's get to it. So I got my hand from Red Iguana. I will link the I will link the review, my first impression on it, on the card on top. Also my little foam thing, I got it from AliExpress, and I'm gonna show you some of the materials that we'll be using. I have my Koopa nail system brush holder, and inside of it I have some of my tools. So we have some dotting tools, some striping pen, brushes, my acrylic 3D brush, my number 8 acrylic brush, and some more synthetic brushes. So today mainly I think I'm going to be mainly using my striping brushes and my dotting tools. And then the colors we'll be using today are this one right here, a bright hot pink, which is 552. The base color is going to be 516. The purple in the bathing suit is going to be 594. And then the black is going to be 613.
So we're going to take the first color, which is the 516 color. It's a light pink. And we're going to paint all our nails, all 4 fingers, which are the only ones that I'm showing you. I'm not showing you the thumb. We're going to paint it this light pink color, and it's going to be the base of the nails. Here I'm taking the next color, which is 594, and it's going to be the first color for our camouflage or army fatigue, whatever you want to call it, camo print. And here, you guys, for camo, it's super easy. Just do wiggly lines and different patterns. The good thing about camo is that all the patterns are different and you can make it your own. So take your time, look at it, add, change the shape or whatever you want. So I started with a bigger color in the middle, and I'm gonna do a little bit on the bottom. And for every color, I try to do 2 different shapes for each color, and you will see that in the video. I'm just gonna let you watch the video because it's super easy. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down below and I will answer that for you guys. So let's keep on watching the tutorial. And I was going to do all 4 fingers the camo, but then decided now I'm going to change it up. So I decided to add glitter to the ring finger. And I'm just going to show you right here how I apply the glitter. I just press it on the nail. And then after that, I will be taking a matte top coat for the pinky and then a glossy top coat for the rest of the fingers, and that basically completes the look. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know what you think of this design, and also let me know what else you guys want to see, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye, guys.